Closing argument by the prosecution.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Miss Cora Jenkins is guilty. Is an accessory to this murder because of her negligence. She knew that her friend was sick and didn't do anything about it. Her daughter was sick, didn't do anything about it. Just slipped through her hands. Jesse would probably be alive today if someone cared more. That's all I have.
Defense, ready for your closing argument?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard all the facts, witnesses' testimonies pertaining to the death of the victim, Jesse Sturtevant. And I hope that you have asked the question, who should be on charge, be charged with the murder of Jesse Sturtevant? Who should be charged with an accessory to the murder of Jesse Sturtevant? My client, who has served the Sturtevants for over 20 years, why was she singled out and accused of being an accessory to the murder of the victim? Why wasn't the father accused of being an accessory to the fact? Why wasn't the doctor accused of being an accessory after the fact? Surely he knew what was going on. He even said himself that he gave information to Mrs. Sturtevant to go to Kansas to see a doctor. He even said that on the witness stand. I say to you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client spoke as loud as she could possibly speak to those who were in charge of Jessie, who took care of her. She spoke to the doctor. She spoke to the father. And no one did anything. My client did everything that she could possibly do to prevent what happened from happening. The people who had a voice to make everyone listen refused to speak up. And that is why Jesse Sturtevant is no longer on this earth with us. Ladies and gentlemen of the court, with all the facts presented to you during this trial, you have to find my client innocent. You have to.
We will be taking a 15-minute recess for the verdict.
All rise.